Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to adjust screen size on OBS Studio. To adjust the screen size, you can try the following steps. First, go to the Scenes or Sources section, which is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click and drag it downwards to expand the window. If this doesn't work, you can also try adjusting the screen resolution settings on your computer. Additionally, if you're using a web browser, you can try zooming in or out by pressing Ctrl and plus or minus on your keyboard. These tips should help you adjust the screen size and make it easier for you to see what you're doing. And to make sure your screen is visible, you can also adjust the zoom level on your browser. This can be done by pressing Ctrl and the plus or negative keys on your keyboard, or by going to the settings menu in your browser and adjusting the zoom level there. You can switch to a larger monitor or adjust the resolution on your current monitor to increase the size of your display. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.